Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to manage your money and improve your credit. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best credit cards for different needs, what are secure cards and how they can help you build or rebuild your credit, and what is a credit score and why it matters. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now let's get into it. Credit cards are a fantastic way to accumulate points, establish credit, and take advantage of benefits like travel insurance, purchase protection, and more. But how can you pick the best option for you when there are so many available? Well, that depends on your financial habits, your objectives, and your tastes. Whenever you're going to select any credit cards, we must consider some factor like annual fee, reward rate, interest rate, sign-up bonus, benefits. Now that you know what to look for in a credit card, let's take a look at some of the best credit cards that we recommend you. However, there are some general categories of credit cards that you can use as a guide to find the best one for you. Cashback credit cards. Credit cards with cashback are excellent for consumers who wish to get incentives for their regular spending. In most cases, you receive cashback from these cards in the form of a statement credit, a direct deposit, or a check for a portion of your expenditures. A flat rate on all purchases is offered by certain cashback cards, whilst bonus categories on other cards result in greater rates. For example, the Wells Fargo Active Cash R Cardone. The first card we will look at is the Wells Fargo Active Cash R card. This card is great for those who want simple and unlimited cash back on all purchases. Annual fee, $0. Sign-up bonus. Earn a $200 cash rewards bonus after spending $500 in purchases in the first 3 months. Rewards rate, 2. Cash back on all purchases, unlimited. Redemption options. You can redeem your cash rewards as a statement credit, direct deposit, paper check, Wells Fargo ATM withdrawal, or gift cards. Additional benefit. The first 15 months of purchases and balance transfers on this card have an introductory AP of 0. After that, they are subject to a variable AP of 20.25 for 25.24 earning, or 29.99. Additionally, it includes purchase protection, extended warranty protection, and cell phone protection. This card doesn't provide bonus categories or travel advantages. Additionally, a 3 and 4 transaction fee is levied. For people who desire a hassle-free basic cashback card without an annual fee, the Wells Fargo Active Cash R card is perfect. Chase Freedom Flex SEM. The next card we recommend, Chase Freedom Flex SE. This card is perfect for those who want to earn bonus cash back in different categories every quarter. Annual fee, $0 EE. Sign-up bonus. Earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. Rewards rate, 5 cash back and quarterly bonus categories on up to $1,500 in combined spending each quarter. Activation required. 5 back on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, RW. 3 back on dining, including takeout and delivery services. 3 back on drugstore purchases. For all cardholders, through March 31, 2025. 5 and back on qualifying Lyft services purchased through the Lyft app. 1 on all other purchases. Redemption options. You can redeem your cash back as a statement credit, direct deposit, gift cards, travel, or products and services through Chase Ultimate Rewards R. Additional benefits. This card offers a 0 introductory APA on purchases for the first 15 months, then a variable APR of 21.24. It also comes with purchase protection, extended warranty protection, car rental insurance, and trip cancellation interruption insurance. Drawbacks. This card requires you to activate the bonus categories every quarter and keep track of the spending cap. It also charges a 3 and 4 transaction fee. The Chase Freedom Flex SEM is ideal for those who want to maximize their cashback earnings in different categories throughout the year. American Express R Gold Card. The third card we will review is the American Express R Gold Card. This card is excellent for those who want to earn flexible rewards and enjoy travel and dining perks. Annual fee, $250. Sign-up bonus, earn 60,000 membership rewards, R points after you spend $4,000 on eligible purchases with your new card within the first 6 months. Rewards rate, earn 4 membership rewards points per dollar at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery, and at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 per calendar year in purchases. Earn 3 membership rewards points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or on Amex Travel.com. Earn 1 membership reward point per dollar on all other purchases. Redemption options. You can redeem your points for travel, gift cards, merchandise, statement credits, or transfers to airline and hotel partners. Additional benefits. This card offers up to $120 in dining credits per year after $100 in airline fee credits per year on one selected airline. Up to $100 in hotel credits per year on qualifying charges at the hotel collection properties. No foreign sanction transactions. Drawbacks. This card has a high annual fee that may not be worth it for some people. It also has a variable APR of 21.99, 28.99 that is not ideal for carrying a balance. The American Express R Gold Card is ideal for those who want to earn valuable rewards and enjoy premium benefits on travel and dining. Travel Rewards Credit Cards. Credit cards with travel benefits are the best for those who enjoy traveling or wish to cut costs when they do. These cards typically accrue points or miles that can be exchanged for lodging, transportation, or other travel-related costs. Additionally, some travel credit cards provide benefits like free access to airport lounges, travel insurance, or no foreign transaction fees. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred R Card 4 earns 5x points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, RU 3x points on dining, and Tux points on all other travel purchases, plus 1 point per dollar on everything else. It also offers a 25 boost when you redeem points for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, R Travel Protection Benefits, and no foreign transaction fees. The annual fee is $95. Balance Transfer Credit Cards. Credit cards with balance transfers are helpful for consumers who want to pay off their current credit card debt more quickly and save money on interest. These cards let you transfer a balance from another card and take advantage of a temporary low or no interest rate. In this manner, you can avoid accruing additional interest costs and concentrate on paying down your debt. For example, the Citi R Diamond Preferred R Card 5 offers 0 intro AP for 18 months on balance transfers completed within 4 months of account opening, then 14.74.74.74.74 paid a variable of R. The balance transfer fee is either $5 or $3 of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. The annual fee is $0. Citi R Double Cash Card. The last card we will examine is the Citi R Double Cash Card. This card is amazing for those who want to earn cash back twice on every purchase. Annual fee, $0. Sign-up bonus, none. Rewards rate. Earn 2 cash back on every purchase, 1 when you buy and 1 as you pay. Redemption options. You can redeem your cash back as a statement credit, direct deposit, check, or convert it to ThankYou R points. Additional benefits. This card offers a 0 introductory APA on balance transfers for the first 18 months, then a variable APA of 21.24 and 28.24 FIR. It also comes with Citi R Identity Theft Solutions, Citi R Entertainment, and Citi R Flex Plan. Drawbacks. This card does not offer any sign-up bonus or bonus categories. It also charges a 3 foreign transaction fee. The Citi R Double Cash Card is ideal for those who want to earn cash back twice on every purchase with no annual fee and no hassle. These are 5 of the best credit cards that you can consider if you are young and married. Each card has its own features and benefits that may suit your needs and preferences.